Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology step by step. First, focus on truly understanding the fundamental concepts rather than just rote memorization. Building a strong foundation is crucial for tackling more complex topics later on. Next, create a consistent study schedule and stick to it daily. Regular review helps reinforce learning. Finally, make good use of visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts to grasp intricate processes. To truly master biology, engage in active learning. Don't just read, actively draw and label diagrams of cells, organs, or systems. This hands-on approach significantly improves retention. Try explaining difficult concepts to a friend or even to yourself. Teaching is a powerful way to learn. Also, regularly solve practice questions and previous year's papers to test your knowledge and identify areas needing more attention. Memory and revision are key to success in biology. Utilize mnemonics and flashcards for memorizing complex terms, classifications, or processes. These tools make recall much easier. Implement a spaced repetition system, reviewing topics at increasing intervals to move information into your long-term memory. Always try to connect new information with what you already know, building a comprehensive understanding of the subject. For exam preparation, carefully analyze past exam patterns and understand the marking schemes. This helps you focus your efforts effectively. Keep yourself updated with any syllabus changes and refer to recommended textbooks for comprehensive coverage. Finally, explore various digital resources to enhance your learning experience. Check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to support your studies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.